Hey guys, it's Cam. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a wig tutorial and also a hair review towards the end of this video to let you guys know what I thought about this wig from VSHOW hair. This hair is Brazilian straight. It is 16 inches long. In the box came a wig cap, 2 wig caps. It is also full lace wig. It has a pre-plucked hairline. It's 130% in density. Baby hairs are included, and it's a medium brown lace and average size cap. On the full lace wig comes 2 combs on the sides, a comb on the bottom, and also adjustable straps. The hairline was pretty great on this. I love this because you can part it anywhere, and you have more options to put it up or part it anywhere. So I'm excited about this. You can also see the hairline is pre-plucked. The hair is super soft, and during this video I will just show you guys how I install this wig. So stay tuned. Hey guys, let's get into this hair. So this hair actually turned out to be really, really nice. I really love this. So again, just to give you the specs real quick, this hair is from VSHOW Hair. It is a full lace wig. It is a natural black color. It is 16 inches long. It has the pre-plucked hairline. Baby hairs were included, and it's 130% density. The knots do not come bleached, so you have to bleach the knots yourself. I did that, of course, before installing the wig in this video, and that did not take very long. This lace is very soft, so I mean, it took every bit of 5 minutes, if that, to bleach the knots, because I didn't want to over bleach it. I did use the Ruby Kisses mineral powder. Lord, this thing is falling apart on me. I'm holding on for dear life, y'all. I'm holding on. But this is the mineral powder from Ruby Kiss. It is the golden honey color. And I just have a little brush that I believe I got from like CVS or something to just fill in the hairline and to fill in the parts. What else? I did flat iron it with the Composite flat iron, and as you can see, my lifesaver that I used. This, I'm telling you, it gave me that extra sleek flat look that I love. I did use the hot comb to help press it out to give it that extra sleek bone straight look. And the fact that this is a full lace, you can literally do any style with this. So you can do your half up, half down. You can do a one ponytail, a high ponytail, I'm sorry. You can do a low ponytail. You can do pretty much anything with this. You can also curl this if you want. I just did, for the sake of this video, because it is Brazilian straight hair. I'm not sure if I said that earlier or not, but I wanted to see what it looked like absolutely straight. So yeah, I am very satisfied with this hair. Shedding is pretty minimal. I did get a little tiny bit of shedding, but that's because I went in and cut over my ear tabs a little bit, just so it could fit a little bit better. And of course, when you cut around, you know, the lace, it's gonna give you shedding when you comb it. But as you can see, this hair is so soft, y'all. Like, look at that. So soft. It's so nice. And look, no shedding. So nice and soft. I think you guys would really love this one. If you just like that super simple, low maintenance type of look that, you know, straight hair can give you, then this is it right here. One-stop shop. Check out VSHOW Hair. And I forgot to tell y'all, it's affordable. That's like the best part of all of this, is that, sorry, I just saw the doors open, is that it's affordable. I mean, I can't afford to do the $300-400 wigs, $500 wigs. I gotta stay, I'm on a budget. Like, this is it. Like, if you are on a budget and you want good quality hair though, check out VSHOW Hair. They have a really good selection of full lace wigs, lace fronts. They even have like frontals. They have everything. Go on the site, check them out, and you will definitely be very pleased. I will drop all of the information in the description box below of all the products that I use to put this on. And yeah, you guys, I hope you guys go ahead and check them out. And if you have any comments or feedback or anything, just hit me up. Let me know. But yeah, this is it. Thanks guys for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you are subscribed, good looking out. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss a video that I post. So yeah, I will see you guys next time. Thanks you guys for watching. Bye.